150cc, 350cc, 1000cc. But what does this cc actually mean? Cc stands for cubic centimeters. It measures the displacement of your engine. In simple language, it's the size of your engine. Think of it like a bottle. A small bottle holds less water and a large bottle holds more. Similarly, a higher cc engine can hold more air and fuel mixture. Inside the engine, a piston moves up and down. When it moves from the top dead center to the bottom dead center, it sweeps a certain volume. That swept volume is measured in cubic centimeters. That's your cc. More cc usually means that the engine can burn more air and fuel mixture. That generally produces more power and torque. But it doesn't automatically mean higher top speed. So cc isn't about showing off. It's the engine capacity. The bigger the engine, the stronger the potential. Right, smart.